Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Bowers and Wilkins PX7 with your Android phone. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the pair new device and after that slide up this power button. It should enter to pairing mode automatically and we should see it if the LED light is blinking blue. So right now you don't want to enter pairing mode automatically, so just slide up and hold it until this LED light starts flashing blue. Here we go, and now we should see it at the device list, so just click on it and then click pair. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!